Hey guys, today I'm going to introduce you the latest toautosolder soldering station DS90. Okay, now I'm going to try the station. Okay, so first I did some LED. I'm going to take the pencil. Then I did soldering on some resistor. At the end, I tried to do it on tertiary too. I'm gonna cut it. Wow, that's a very good job. It doesn't move. This machine is really good, it's amazing. I put the wind on the wire with the soldering station. After I'm done, I can clean it and then use it again. Now I'm gonna repair the toys with the soldering station. If you accidentally do a mistake, you can use the suction pump to suck it. Let's try it. Okay, so overall this soldering machine is very easy to use and it comes with everything to get the DIY done. It can handle majority of DIY projects and electronic soldering or repairs.